Tools 417-piece metric and SAE toolkit in Sumo Series Toolbox. Sumo Series is SP Tools' extra wide drawer storage system. The box is 840mm wide and 445mm in depth, and it features a combination of 7 drawers in narrow 225mm or wide 740mm configuration. The tool chest lid is equipped with heavy-duty dual gas struts and a full-length piano hinge joint. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kilograms per pair. The side of the box is equipped with an easy grip chrome plated handles, and the tool chest features high quality dual layer UV resistant powder coat finish. The tools: SP Tools 122-piece metric and SAE socket and accessory set in EVA foam. The kit includes quarter drive metric and SAE sockets 4 to 13mm and 3/16 to half inch, 3/8 drive metric and SAE sockets 6 to 22 and quarter to 7/8, 3/8 drive metric and SAE deep sockets 10 to 19, 5/16 to 3/4, half-inch drive metric SAE sockets 10 to 32 and 3/8 to inch and a quarter, 3/8 and half-inch drive spark plug sockets in both 5/8 and 13/16, quarter 3/8 half-inch drive soft grip 45 tooth ratchets, quarter 3/8 and half-inch drive soft grip breaker bars, quarter 3/8 and half-inch drive universal joints, and a range of quarter 3/8 and half-inch drive extension bars, and a range of socket drive adapters. SP Tools 34-piece metric and SAE spanner set in EV8 foam, and they include the quad drive combination spanners from 6 to 26mm and quarter to 1 inch. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. SP Tools 20-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 6 Phillip head screwdrivers 38 to 150mm in length, 6 standard blades from 38 to 150mm in length, and 8 Torx tamper screwdrivers from T8 through to T40. All screwdrivers feature SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools 6-piece precision screwdriver set with 3 Phillips head drivers and 3 standard drivers. SP Tools 13-piece impact screwdriver set, which includes Phillips slotted and hex bits. SP Tools chrome alloy plier and cutters with induction hardened cutting and grip points. This include 150 and a 200mm diagonal cutter with dual texture grips, 200mm long nose pliers with dual texture grips, 200mm combination plier with dual texture grips, a 250mm 3 rivet heavy duty locking plier that features chrome alloy jaws, 165, 250 and 320mm heavy duty multi-grip pliers made from chrome alloy steel, and 150, 250 and 375mm adjustable wrenches. 4-piece circlip plier set made from chrome alloy steel. These include 175mm straight and bent internal and 175mm straight and bent external circlip pliers. SP Tools S2 chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex and Torx key sets. 2 sets of 9-piece metric hex keys from 1.5 to 10mm in long and stubby series. 2 sets of 9-piece SAE hex keys from 1/16 to 3/8 in long and stubby series. And 2 sets of 9-piece Torx keys from T10 to P50 in both long series and stubby series. 10-piece chrome moly punch and chisel set with pin punch sizes 10 down to 2mm, 16-ounce and 24-ounce ball peen hammers with genuine hickory handles from a certified FSC timber saws, 40mm dual soft and hard tip hammer with additional shot-filled head for dead blow function, a 44-ounce 1-piece construction dead blow hammer, a 102-piece bit set including a quarter drive low profile mini ratchet, metric hex bits 1.5 to 9mm, SAE hex bits 1/16 to 1/4, Torx T7 to T45, Torx Tamper T7 to T40, Torx Plus T10 to T50, Spline M5 through to M8, Phillips long and short in Phillips 1, 2 and 3, Posi drive in 1, 2 and 3, slotted 3 to 6.5mm, square drive 0 through to 3, spanner bits 6, 8 and 10mm. The kit also includes a 3 to 48 volt circuit tester with separate LED polarity display, a 10 amp DC digital multimeter, an 8 meter retractable tape measure, SP Tools all-purpose utility knife, 4-piece mini hook and pick set and a 4-piece tweezer set, 3-piece wire brush set in stainless, mild steel and brass bristles, 4-piece heavy-duty pry bar set and a 3-piece heavy-duty scraper set, 2-piece metric and SAE thread files and a 5-piece screw extractor set, 50mm extendable mirror and a 1 kilogram extendable magnetic pickup tool, and a 300mm professional quality hacksaw.